Welcome to Grit Fitness. My name is Britt Wold. I'm the founder and owner of Grit, and we are so pumped that you are here. If you're watching this video, you're watching it on purpose because you were at the right place at the right time. Here at Grit, we are so excited to be your one-stop shop, not only for your fitness needs, but for your community. So if you need to make friends, if you need to blow off some steam, if you need some therapy along with your good sweat, you've come to the right place. Now that you're here, what you can expect is a variety of fitness classes across multiple locations, and we've thought about all three elements of your fitness. So we have a variety of strength classes, cardio classes, and restorative classes. As a part of your fitness journey, it's so important to have a balanced fitness regimen. So I highly encourage you to take classes in all three categories and to get out of your comfort zone, all right? Because variety is the spice of life. Also, check out our events page and our calendar to see what connect groups you can join, what new events we have going on. We have connect groups from book clubs to happy hours. No matter what your interest is, there's a small group that's a perfect fit for you. So welcome. We're so glad you're here. Let's work.